Hey guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a package unboxing for you guys. I haven't done one of these in God knows how long, so I'm very much so excited to actually bring it back. So, yeet. There's actually a very funny story about our packages. So let's just say our packages are pretty much all of the holidays put into one, because life hit us both hard last year, so we're like, you know what? You'll get your package when you get it. And that's pretty much how this ended up being. But you know, it was worth the wait. I have not sent mine out to her yet. Today is Monday the 14th. Hopefully, I'll send mine out to her by Friday. So, you know, all will work out. But I cannot talk as good as I want to because I just got two fillings done. They were kind of dangerous feelings, so my jaw is like suffering a lot right now. So I'm just gonna let you know beforehand, I am fangirling a lot on the inside. Then I wish I could, fangirl on the outside. So let's just get started with the opening. I blocked off all the important info, of course, because no stalkers need to be in my house. And I love the packaging. I really love the packaging. Like, oh my goodness, this is like, oof, golden. Legit is golden. And she used the easy tape, which is the masking tape, which is super easy to get off. I'm gonna be that person and put it on one of my sketchbooks. I'm super sorry. Ah, I haven't used masking tape since I was like, I don't know, since I was like 10. I don't even know if that's the correct age. I haven't used masking tape for a majority of my life. I know you use it when you're a child because that's the cheapest tape that you can get in elementary school. But look at that masking tape, brings me back to the old days. Okay. She got everything wrapped like she always does. Okay. Let me make sure everything is out. Okay, everything is out. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in for you guys. I know how to zoom in on my phone. It's just ridiculous how to actually zoom in my camera. But yeet. So these are all the goodies. So what? You always gotta read the note first. So let's just open up this note. Alrighty, okay. Hopefully my phone will focus. Dear Nirel, hello. I'm sorry this present is late, but last year was hella stressful. But here it finally is. I hope you enjoy all the goodies. Love, Domenicaaa, and she has her octopus baby as a little doodle. But yeah, all is forgiving, my love. Like freaking, I got hella stressful too last year, so it's understandable. It's all good in the hood. So this is number 3. That's part 2. Part 2. This is number 1. Oh, okay. So this is number 1, and this is goodies part 1, and this is part 2. Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha, fam. Alright. I'm telling you guys, I'm literally so slow in actuality that I have to I kind of have to repeat myself just to kind of make sure I got things right. And this is ripping the paper. Okay. I have to cut it very safely. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so this says Artsu right here. If my phone would focus, there we go. And this is Artsu Part 2. This one is Grumpy! Oh, I can't scream, guys. So we're gonna not be grumpy right now. We're gonna open up this one, which has a smiley kissy face on it. And oof, this washi tape is like the bomb.com. I love this washi tape. I'm gonna be like one of those people and safely cut this. Because honestly, I wanna preserve some of the packaging. Okay. And hopefully you don't hear my little air conditioner in the back ground because I got me a little air conditioner. That my grandma is like, Narelle, I don't understand you sometimes, but you know, it's all good to not be understood. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. Hopefully I did not put this on the wrong side. Ah! Guys, I swear, I thought I did a good job. I thought I did a good job. Oh, my word. And I'm like super jealous that people can do like package unboxings in like 10 minutes, where it takes me legit an hour just to like get everything together. But okay, I'm gonna move this out the way. Alright, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. If my phone would focus, please. And I go. Oh, look, it's Zyke. So if you guys don't know, this is my blue dreadhead boyo. I don't draw him as often. I should though. But look, isn't he like the cutest thing in the planet? Like, oof. I'm gonna take this out the baggie actually, so you guys can see it a little bit more clear. There we go. I'm like so out of the loop with package unboxings that I'm like, I need to get it all zoomed in on the camera. So, so, the next one is a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. It's Lola! She is so cute. She is like hecka cute. If you guys don't know, if you guys don't know, they are boyfriend and girlfriend. You got the hippie boy with the goth girl. They work together. Zyke isn't a hippie, but he has that hippie aesthetic to him. But bruh, this is like the cutest things ever. I'm gonna put them in the baggie so they won't get ruined, because you know you gotta protect the pencil art. You gotta keep protected. So I'm gonna put this over here with the note. All right, this is Artsy Part 2, and I know who it is because she put Grumpy. You guys probably don't know who it is, but you know I'm like so scared to open this because this is like my ultimate husbando, and I like how she put the Cheers washi tape here. Like, you know, that's funny. That's funny. You know, this is a happy occasion for me, but you know, I cannot. I'm trying to like not, bruh. Okay, but you know, it's not a happy occasion. This character does like so much to me that it's not even funny. Okay, so and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. Yay, I opened it up on the back side. Okay. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. I'm gonna close my eyes. Flip. Okay. Flip. Okay. Okay. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. This is like the love of my life, Haseo. Like, guys, already claimed him. You cannot claim him or his floofy tail. They're all claimed. This is literally the love of my life. Like, y'all better recognize. Like, oh my gosh. Look how freaking cute this is. Like, for realsies, man. Look how freaking cute this is. And he got a new design, too. And I'm like, oh, it's so freaking cute. It's so stinking cute. Oh, my love. My love. Oh, my love. So, I'm guessing this is the colored version of this. It actually looks like they're looking at each other side by side. That's kind of funny. But anyways, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. And I love... Oh! Sorry, I'm choking on my spit. I'm so sorry. I love how she put donuts here. And you know what's ironic? I actually do have donuts in real life. So I think it was fate. I think this package came at the right time. But look how cute he is. Like, guys, again, he's already claimed he is my love of my life. And now he's a little grumpy, but I accept the grumpy boyos. Like, oh, he is the cutest, bruh. Her stuff is just the cutest, man. Like, ow, it's just so cute. I'm gonna have to keep it on the plastic because I gotta put it in my actual art binder that I have. I have an actual binder dedicated to friends' artworks. I shared it, I think, in a video before, but I could probably do an updated one because I'm adding a lot more to it. So here are the other goodies. I'm gonna move these up here so you know they won't be a distraction. Not that I'm saying Haseo is a bad distraction. He's a total good distraction. But you know, so yeet. So this is goodies part 1. So I'm gonna move these out the way. But look, it's so cute, and this is this is her octopus baby. His face. But I'm so scared. I'm like legit the scariest person alive. But okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. And Domenica, I always applaud your packaging game. My packaging is like all over the place. And I'm like, I do apologize to people opening my presents because they have to figure it out. Alright, so in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Oh my gosh, this is like a mini sketchbook. Oh my gosh, this is like the cutest thing in the freaking planet. And if you tilt it, it's shining bright like a diamond. You know, this is like, this is fate too, because I'm living for glitter right now. Like, literally almost all of my new drawings have glitter on it, and you know, I'm living my best life. But oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. Oh my gosh, and it has a little band on it. Oh my goodness, this is actually super cute. This is so cute. So cute. Like, oh my goodness. This is like adorkable, bruh. Very adorkable. So I'm going to leave this here because it's part 2 to that. So it's an addition onto that. Ow! I'm not doing a good job with my teeth. But anyways, this is part 2. So in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. I know this is not washi tape. I know this is not washi tape. I know this is not washi tape. It is washi tape. And my freaking camera is not going to do it justice at all. Let's just hope it zooms in. Yay! It's flowers! It's flowers! Oh my goodness. Come on, phone. Like, my phone liked me for the past week or so, and now when I have something important to do, it's just not liking me. But look! It's flowers! It's flowers! This is like really cute. It's like the perfect spring vibe because spring is coming, and I'm like, bruh, this is like such a spring vibe. So that is actually really dope, and I wonder what this is. Okay, we're gonna see. I really wonder what this is. Like, I have the slightest idea of what this is. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, we're gonna, you know, find out together. So let's unwrap in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Let's unwrap this. Ow. Okay. keychain. It's a keychain. I'm not ready for this life. I'm not ready for this life. Oh. Oh, I'm not ready for this life. 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 I'm gonna try to hide the other one. I'm not ready for this life. Look, it's my baby boy, Kacchan. If you guys don't know, freaking Bakugo is my freaking life in My Hero Academia. Kacchan all the freaking way. He literally is best boy. I just like, how I can add this to my keychain little rack that I have when you come into my room. I can put this up there. Look at my baby boy, Kacchan, living his best freaking life. Like, this is so stinking cute. The vibe is like all there. It's legit color, aesthetically pleasing. But oh my gosh, like, this is legit the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, bruh, I really like this a lot. I freaking love it. So I'm going to put this here. And there's another one that I'm not ready to look at. So let me hide my ugly feet. But anyways, in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. You did not. You did freaking not. Look, guys, this is like the ultimate husbando, ultimate daddy. Like, guys, every word to describe a guy, this is what this guy is. Like, I'll freaking mean it. Oh, this is my husbando, my freaking #1 anime character. Like, guys, you think out of all the animes I've seen in my life, I'd have more husbandos, but he is like the only one. I'm committed to this guy. Only committed to Aomine. He is like the love of my life. Like Haseo, he's my OC love of my life from a friend, but Aomine is my anime love of my life. Oh, this is so stinking cute. I love this. I live for this. Oh my freaking gosh, Domenica. This is like the perfect package. Like, oh my gosh. It's the perfect mesh of art, knickknacks, and anime. I'm gonna put all the goodies back in view. I'm gonna try to adjust them accordingly so you guys can see everything. Okay. We are doing this. Let's move the wrapping over and out the way. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay. Alright. I'm doing such a good job at this. Such a good job. Alrighty. So, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much, Domenica, for all of your loves. And I'm like content. Like, today I wasn't feeling like all the hottest because, you know, I had to get, you know, teeth done. But, you know, this was worth the wait because my phone died. I had to wait for it to charge and I put it off. And I'm like, you know what? No more putting off this package unboxing. Let me just open it up. And I'm like blessed by the Lord himself. But yes, this has just made me so happy. So yeah, guys, please check out Domenica. I'll put all of her links down below. And yeah, so give her lots of love. Say Nirel sent you. And sooner you'll see my package in which I gave to her in a video soon. Hopefully, if customs like me. So yeah, that is it. So give this video a like if you like it. Comment down whatever you like to say to me in my comment box below. And like always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.